occupied. Hey, yo, I'm trying to pitch one off in here. Just give me some privacy, would ya?
What the
hell, man? What are you doing, man? You asshole!
You told him my name.
What's that to him?
My name? Where I work? You told him about my son?
Don't touch me!
Damn junkie!
No, give me that!
This is going down the toilet. Watch it go!
No, that's worth 40 grand, you stupid
It's
shit!
worth nothing when you smoke it all! Get off the toilet! Get off the toilet!